These regular exercises has really helped me a lot in strengthening my backbone, shoulders, and physique. I will assure you I will continue to do these exercises on regular basis. Thanks a lot. And
Thank you.
Yeah, do brief me on your forthcoming sessions. I would love to join and continue doing it.
Sure, sure, Jari. Thank you so much for sharing. Yeah. Thank you. Yes. Alka, would you like to? Yes.
Yeah, as always, really, like everybody said, they are so simple and you articulate it so well and you're so passionate, like you watch everybody doing it correctly. And it's really like my shoulders used to pain sometimes, but with stretching exercises and all, it has stopped completely. So it's really, really good. Thank you so much for all these exercises. It's just really helping. And even mentally feel good to just have class on Sunday and wait for that, even it's late night, that we'll get really good exercise feedback, and you are going to help us with our health recovery. Thank you very much, as always.
Thank you, Alka. Thank you for joining. Thanks a lot. Yes, Bhavna, would you like to take it? You're on mute, Bhavna.
Yeah. Doctor, as usual, your exercises are really helping me a lot. And every time I have a little ache and pain, I always think, that I should do this exercise. Doctor said, do this. Doctor said, do that. This will help. And amazingly, it always helps. And so in a day, I always think of you very many times that, doctor said, do this, doctor said, do that. So at that moment, you do it. And then, whether it helps or whether it doesn't help. Mentally, it is reassuring that doctor said to do this and it's going to help me. So thanks a lot for being there. And thanks a lot for helping me out, because these little aches and pains are now away.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your sharing, Bhavna. Thanks a lot. Anybody else would like to share anything?
Can I?
Yes. Who's that?
Kavita Verma.
Yes, Kavita.
Hi, doctor. I want to thank you and really God bless you both. These exercises, I do yoga a lot, and I'll have to incorporate all these exercises in that. But I don't want to go in for knee surgery. My knees do pain. So if you ever have knee and eye exercises, though I've had my cataract, I would like to join. And these exercises may be simple, but they are effective. If they hit the nail on the head, they are really effective. I can feel it.
Yes. Thank you for sharing, Kavita. And yes, we'll keep you posted. We are planning for knee only as an upcoming workshop, and for eyes we do have a complete program. So you can just get in touch with us on WhatsApp, and we'll tell you how that program is. Yeah, so it's not live at the moment, but we do have recorded programs which we share with people who miss live classes. They are there for a lot of things, and we are just setting them in place, and by New Year we'll have all of them ready. So then there is no fixed timing, there is nothing. You can just get the exercises, do it at your time. So we are just planning that whole thing, and it will come up soon.
But when it is live, I make notes of whatever you're speaking. So all my notes are there with all your personal inputs also.
Yes,
so
yes.
I would prefer.
I know. Live has its own charm.
All these exercises I've made notes.
Good.
Totally.
Good. Very good.
So you
very
said
nice.
you can do recording, but I made all notes.
Very good. Very nice. Thank you. Yes, Arnavaz.
Doctor, this has really been good for us at just like machines when they need to get oil. All your exercises have sort of made all the muscles start working and get into place, making us feel much younger. I feel much younger really doing all the exercises. I felt I was getting stiff being at home, but now after retirement, when you are at home, so now I feel I've started getting younger again. I'm no longer that past retirement. I have gone into the pre-retirement stage where I can yet go have fun run around, do things, because we have started using all our muscles, just everything that we have with us. And you have said it, like all of them have said, that's so simple. You can do whatever you want when you feel that necessity, your back's hurting, use that sponge ball at the back and press it, and it's amazing. It's just amazing that your body starts feeling younger. It's not that you, I really don't know how to express it, but it's something that makes you look forward to it, makes you feel wanting to do that thing. Wanting to
right. No,
exercise because
I
it's
get
helping
what
your
you're
body.
saying. Yes. You, in fact, like you've been with us for more than a year, I think now, with our
Yes.
different classes, more than a year, and we can see a perceivable difference in you. And what you're saying that yes, you look younger. You definitely not only feel, but you look younger to us as well. And not only you, some of the others who are with us since a very long time. We have seen the change in the glow of the face and everything with many people, and we are saying this on an honest terms because we can make out, our eyes are so sharp that we can make out that little difference also in people. So we can actually see a perceptible difference in many of y'all, and I'm sure those who have joined us new first time for this program, later on we'll see that difference in them too. Yes. Thank you for sharing us.
Thank you so much, Doctor. Thank you so much.
धन्यवाद अभी तो मैं जवान हूँ
No, it's
Right,
really
right.
you feel that lightness. You feel light. You feel you just feel like a little butterfly at times, because earlier you didn't feel that. You didn't have that.
Yes.
It's like
Yes.
machines. You oil it and it can run faster. It will work better. Now we are doing things which are better.
Yes, very true. We have so many muscles in our body, but we hardly use most of them. We only use the muscles which are dominant, and they take over. And the other muscles who have a role, they just sit back. So it's like your phone. You have so many features, but you're only used to using some features. So when you activate the other features and learn the other features of your phone becomes so much more usable with any device. So same way, our body has so many functions. We are just aware of only few of them, and we are just routinely using them. But when we tap into all the muscles and all of them, the body has so much additional power from within to help us for all our activities. So that's what we are trying to do through these classes, is like, bring out all the potential from the musculoskeletal point of view at the moment. We're going to do a lot with neuro also. That's on agenda. So how to use different aspects of your brain, because that we only use 2%. So we are going to start something soon for the brain. We have everything ready, just searching the right time and time at hand to start it. So we will be doing that too soon. Okay, thank you very much everyone for sharing. If anyone else would like to share, you're most welcome. Otherwise we will stop for the day. Okay.
The brain will be really nice with all this Alzheimer and all this coming.
Yes. We are going to start with the brain program soon, maybe in the coming year or so, the new year. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, you'll be sending something on WhatsApp, some recording?
Yes, for today's class, we'll be sending.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. The home program and a long-term program, what you have to follow, all that we will be putting in today's recording. So go through it properly so that you have everything in hand for future practice. Yeah, and we will also have some revision classes also for this. We keep having like sometimes a revision class once a month. So we will have a revision class as well, and we will keep you all posted. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. It was great having you all in. Thanks a lot. Yes. And yes, all the efforts are with both of us, Dr. Delna and myself. So she's normally in the back ground because she's supervising you all. So yeah, she would also like to say a good day to all of you all. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Take care.
Hi.
Bye.
Dr. Kashmira.
Thank you,
so
Delna.
much. Thank you.
Delna and Kashmira, thank you.
Yeah, thank you both of you.
Thank you, Dr. Delna. Thank you, Dr. Kashmira. God bless.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Delna and Kashmira. You all have done
Thank you.
wonders.
Thanks
Thank you very much.
both docs.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye. Bye.